We know now that Chromebooks are really not just for kids anymore. They're starting to be adopted by enterprise much more than most people think. And actually, the latest statistics show that retail is the leading application for Chromebooks after education, then healthcare. We have a lot of people with remote contact center agents logging in through Chromebooks, financial services, so retail banking, a lot of devices in use, and also manufacturing environments where the Chromebooks are used on the manufacturing floor, in the warehouses, in logistics centers. And it's incredible growth that we're seeing, especially in the past couple of years. Big adoption of 30 million in last year alone. Massive growth rate, more than doubling the year before in these different sectors. And there's a couple of really good reasons why Chromebooks are starting to hit mainstream at this level. They're extremely simple, but not just simple to use, simple to onboard people and to train them on it. So you can bring people up to speed in a way that don't have an education cycle of teaching someone how to use operating systems and applications, because it just runs natively through a web browser. It's extremely secure just because of the way the operating system was built from the bottom up. Of course, they're affordable and very easy to manage remotely. So anyone here on the call who's an admin on Chromebooks knows very well a lot of remote management tools, and we'll take a look at a few of those in just a few minutes. However, of course, the affordable and the simple side of a Chromebook also comes with a few limitations, right? And some of those cause performance issues. So the fact is that Chromebooks have usually a very limited amount of RAM, and for anyone who likes to use a lot of open tabs, that can be a problem. The CPU isn't at the level you would always see in a regular laptop PC or a Mac. And of course, a Chromebook is really just a piece of silicon if it doesn't have network access. And there's not a lot of applications that are used on Chromebooks that are not highly dependent on the latency and accessibility of a high quality network.